Hello everybody, a very good afternoon to everyone. My name is Ankit Sharma and I welcome all of you in this very important session guys. Please see to this guys, 16 days are remaining. So 16 days to go. Tomorrow onwards 15 days to go. Day after tomorrow 14 days to go for the much awaited, the mega exam of all times, the Ssc Cgl exam guys. It's all around the corner guys, it's all around the corner. So 16 days remaining, and as a result, we have started a series of 1,000+ questions in every subject, be it maths or reasoning or English or GA, whatever, guys, whatever. My dear students, yesterday we started with part 1 of direction and distance. So today, going ahead, we will start with part 2 of direction and distance. So please understand, yesterday part 1 of direction and distance we have done. Today, part 2 of direction and distance we are about to do. All right, everybody? Fine, everyone? Next. My dear students, have a look at this. The thought of the day, it's very special, which says, if you focus on the hurt, you will continue to suffer. I repeat, if you focus on the hurt, you will continue to suffer. If you focus on the lesson, you will continue to grow. I repeat, my dear students, very categorically, if you focus on the hurt, you will continue to suffer. If you focus on the lesson, you will continue to grow. So learn from the lessons of every failure. Learn from the outcomes of every failure. And that will be the most knowledgeable thing, the most knowledgeable and precious thing which you will have in your life. The learnings, the memories. Okay? And now, please everybody like and share this session. And here we start with the very first question asked in the exam of Ssc Cgl 19th of June 2011. So time starts. Hurry up. Quickly everyone. Vivek and Ashok. So, okay, take your time. Take your time. Try to solve this. Hurry up. Take your time. Okay. So now what is happening? Now what is happening over here? Please have a look at this. The question is telling Vivek and Ashok start from a fixed point. Okay. So Vivek and Ashok, they start from a fixed point. So Vivek and Ashok both start from the same fixed point. Vivek moves 3 km north. So this is Vivek. Vivek moves 3 km north. Okay. So this is Vivek who moves 3 km north. Okay. This is Vivek who moves 3 km north. And Ashok turns, okay, fine. Now see, before we move and come to Ashok, what it is telling you, Vivek and Ashok start from a fixed point. Vivek moves 3 km north and turns right and then covers 4. Turns right and then covers 4. All right. So Vivek goes 3 km north, turns right and then covers 4. This is Vivek. This is Vivek, okay? Ashok moves 5 km west. Ashok moves 5 km west and turns right and walks 3. Turns right and walks 3. This is all about Ashok. Now, how far are they apart? How far? So basically, my dear students, it's very simple. We have to find this distance. Now, if this is 4, okay, and this is 5, even this is 5. So the total will be 5 plus 4, 5 plus 4, 9. And that is the correct answer. Option number 2, 9 km. So 4 plus 5 or 5 plus 4, whatever you can say, it would be 9 km as you can see. Fine, everybody? Getting it or not? Yes or no, my dear students? Next, the second question. Hurry up. Hurry up, everybody. Quickly, everyone. Another beautiful question asked in the year 2011. It's a special question, a beautiful question. Quickly, guys, please try this. The time is up. The time is up. 60 seconds is over. Let us begin. Let us discuss. So what is the question trying to say? Ganesh cycles towards southwest a distance of 8 meters. Suppose this is the starting point and Ganesh cycles towards southwest a distance of 8 meters. Then he moves towards east a distance of 20. Then he moves towards east a distance of 20 meters. Then he moves towards east. Okay, now see what is happening. See, my dear students, what is happening. So this is the starting point. This is the starting point which I have taken, and Ganesh cycles towards southwest a distance of 8 meters. Then he moves towards east a distance of 20 meters. From there he moves towards northeast. From there he moves towards northeast a distance of 8 meters. Okay, from there he moves towards northeast a distance of 8 meters, and then he moves west 6 meters. Now if this is 20 meter, even this is 20 meter. If this is 20 meter, even this is 20 meter. So from there he moves towards west a distance of 6 meter. All right, fine everybody. If this is 20, even this is 20, but now 6 meter he has traveled. So now 14 meter is remaining. How much? 14 meter. All right, so please keep it in mind. Now from there he moves northeast a distance of 2 meter. Okay, so from here he moves northeast a distance of 2 meters. Then he moves towards west a distance of 4 meter. Then he moves towards west a distance of 4 meter. And then finally he moves towards southwest 2 meter. Then finally he moves towards southwest 2 meter. So now what does it mean? This distance is 20. So this distance is 20. So 20 and 20. But 6 plus 4, 10 is already covered. So how much is remaining till here? See, if this is 20, even this is 20. But 6 plus 4, 6 plus 4, 10 is covered. So even 10 is remaining. And that is the correct answer. That is the correct answer. Option number 2, that is 10 meter. All right, everybody? Fine. So I request everyone to please like and share this session, guys. Please like and share this session, part 2 of direction and distance. If you want to solve many more interesting questions like this, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. Okay, the next one, the third question. Solve this one. Now, what is happening over here, guys? Please tell me, please let us know what is happening over here. From my house, now suppose this is my house. Okay, this is my house. And what is the question telling? From my house, I walked 5 kilometers towards north. So from my house, I walked 5 kilometers towards north. I turned right and walked 3. I turned right and walked 3. Again, I went 1 kilometer to the south. Now 1 kilometer to the south means if this is 1, even this is 1, and the remaining part is 4. And now the question is telling us that how far am I from a house? Now see, as per the Pythagoras theorem, if this is 3, even this is 3, and this part is 4. So this distance as per the Pythagoras theorem is under root of 3 square plus 4 square. So it is 3 square 9 plus 4 square 16, which is root 25, which is 5. So that is the correct answer. The fourth one is the right one. All right, everybody. Fourth one is the valid one, is the right one. All right, everybody. Next, solve this one, the fourth question. Quickly, everyone. Quickly, guys, come on. Please like and simultaneously share this session. Now, that's very, very crucial. That's very, very important, guys. Hurry up. Okay, now moving ahead. A and B are standing at a distance of 20 kilometers from each other on a east-west road. Okay, so suppose this is a east-west road and the distance between them, as you can see, is 20 kilometer. East-west road and the distance between them is 20 kilometer. Okay, now A A and B start walking simultaneously eastwards and westwards. A and B start walking simultaneously eastwards and westwards respectively. So A walks 5 eastwards and B walks 5 westwards. So I repeat, my dear students, now this is very, very crucial. This is very, very crucial. It says A and B are standing at a distance of 20 kilometers apart from each other on a straight east-west road. A and B start walking simultaneously eastwards and westwards respectively and both cover distance of 5 meter. Then A turns to left and walks 10. Then A turns to left and walks 10. B turns to right and again walks 10. So A walks left 10 and B walks right 10. And still the distance between them will be 10 only. The total distance was 20. Now if this guy covered 5, if this guy covered 5, so this distance is 10 only. So here also the distance is 10 only. Okay. Now what it is telling you, both turn to their left and cover 5 kilometers at the same speed. Both turn to their left. Again and again here same speed is mentioned. Okay, again and again over here same speed is mentioned. So both came 5 at the same speed. This turned left and this turned right and both walked 10 at the same speed. Now again they turn left. They both turn to their left and cover 5 kilometers at the same speed. So still the distance between them was 10. And now if both will turn left and move 5 or both will move 10 or both will move equal distance, the distance will still remain 10, and that's the right answer. So there is a very, very simple question which will give you complete score. The next one, the fifth question, guys, hurry up. Now what is being said over here? Now this is a very simple question asked in 2013. So we started with the question that was asked in 2011 and we are ending over here at this question in 2013. So a man travels 4 kilometers due north. So suppose this is the starting point. A man travels 4 kilometers due north. Okay. Then travels 6 kilometers east and further travels 4 kilometers due north. How far is he from the starting point? Now that's again very crucial. 4 kilometers north, then 6 kilometers east and further 4 kilometers north. How far is he from the starting point? So from the starting point we have to find out this distance. Now see, if this is 4, even this when extended back will be 4. And this is 6 only because this is 6. So as per the Pythagoras theorem, guys, this longest distance is equals to 4 plus 4, 8 square plus 6 square. So this is 8 square 64 plus 6 square 36. This is root 100, which is 10. So the correct answer is 10 kilometer. So the correct answer, the valid answer is 10 kilometer by the same Pythagoras principle. Next question. Solve this one, the sixth question. Hurry up. Quickly, guys. Ram and Sam start walking from the same point towards north, cover 20 meters. Suppose this is the same point. This is the same point from which Ram and Sam start walking and both travel towards north 20 meter. Both travel towards north 20 meter. Ram turns to his left. Ram turns to his left. Okay, so this is Ram who turns to the left and Sam who turns to the right. It is given in the question that Ram turns to his left and Sam to his right. After some time, Ram walks 10 meter in the same direction in which he turned. After some time, Ram walks 10 meter in the same direction in which he turned. Okay. On the other hand, Sam walks only 7 meter. On the other hand, Sam walks only 7 meter. Okay. Later, Ram turned towards his left and Sam traveled towards its right. Both walk 25 meter forwards. So both 25 meter forwards means 20 plus 5. Okay, here also it means 20 plus 5. How far is Ram from Sam? Now see, earlier also it was 17, now also it will be 17. Earlier also 17, now also 17. So the correct answer, the valid answer is 17. Alright everybody? Yes or no? Come on guys, please tell me yes or no. Are you getting it or not? Fine. Now moving ahead. The seventh question. Quickly. Sheila and Belah start from their office and walk in opposite directions, each traveling 10 kilometers. Okay. So Sheila and Belah start from their office. Okay. Now suppose this is the office. This is the office. Sheila and Belah start from their office and walk in opposite directions. Now the opposite directions can be north, south, or the opposite directions can be east, west. You can take any of them. You can take any of them. So if you take north, south, so Sheila and Belah start from their office and walk in opposite directions, each traveling 10. Now suppose I am taking this as Sheila, S 10 kilometer, and I am taking this as Belah, 10. If you wish, you can interchange them. If you wish, you can interchange the Sheila and Belah. Okay. So Sheila and Belah start from their office and walk in opposite directions. He is traveling 10 kilometers. Sheila then turns left and walks 10. Sheila then turns left and walks 10. Belah turns right and walks 10. Okay. Now, what is the distance between them now? It's 20. It's 20. So that is the correct answer. It's 20. Now, if you would have just taken in such a manner that if you would have interchanged Sheila and Belah, what will happen? If you will just interchange Sheila and Belah, then what will happen? Now, Sheila is over here and Belah is over here. Okay? No issue. No issue. So Sheila and Belah start from their office and walk in opposite directions, traveling 10 kilometers. Now, Sheila turned left and travels 10. And Belah turns right and walks 10. So still the distance between them will be 10 only. So there is no change in result. Okay. And if you keep them starting from the same point, if they move in this direction, whether you take Sheila over here, Belah over here, vice versa, Sheila over here, Belah over here, still no change in the answers will be there. You will be getting the same answer. All right, everybody. Fine. Next. Moving ahead. The eighth question. The eighth question, guys. Hurry up. Now see, A and B both are walking away from point X. So suppose this is point X. Suppose this is point X. A and B both are walking away from point X. A walked 3 meter north. A walked 3 meter north. This is A. A walked 3 meter north and B walked 4 meter south. Okay, no issue. A walked 3 meter north and B walked 4 meter south. Then A further walked 4 meter north. A further walked 4 meter north and B further walked 5 meter south. Fine. So this is A and this is B. And now we have to find the distance between them. 4 plus 3, 7 plus 4, 11 plus 5, 16. 4 plus 3, 7 plus 4, 11 plus 5, 16. And that is the correct answer. Option number 3, that is 16. Getting it or not, everybody? Very good, Sanjana. Keep it up, Sanjana. Next one. So now the question of 2013. Quickly go ahead, guys. Quickly go ahead. X goes 15 meters north. Okay. Suppose this is the starting point and X goes 15 meter north. X goes 15 meter north. Then turns right and walks 20 meter. Okay. Then again turns right and walks 10 meter. Now if this is 10, even this is 10 and the remaining part is 5. Okay. Now see. So X goes 15 meters north, then turns right and walks 20, then again turns right and walks 10, and then again turns right and walks 20. And now the question is very simple, that how far in meters he is from the original position. So from the original position it's 5 meter, and that's the correct answer. All right, Smriti Thakur. All right, Sanjana Singh. Very good. The 10th question. Hurry up, guys, the 10th question. See, all those who are live, I will request them to please kindly like and share this session. Now that acts as a motivation for all of us, guys. Okay. The time is almost up. Rajat moves from his office to the canteen straight at a distance of 12 meter. Now from the office, now let me take the office over here. And now straight to office to canteen means in which direction straight? Straight from office to canteen means in which direction straight? It can be any direction as of now. As of now, move it in any direction, but don't give it a name. Okay, so Rajat moves from his office to the canteen straight at a distance of 12 meter. So let me take this straight at a distance of 12 meter. Then he turns left and walks 2. Then he turns left and walks 2. Then he turns left again and walks straight for 12 meter. Okay, and now, my dear students, how far is he from the office? It's 2 meter. It's 2 meter only. So there is no change in the answer. It's very simple. Very good, Smriti Thakur and Sanjana. Now, before we come to the next questions, let me tell you, my dear students, that the Exampur official app is the one-stop solution for all government job aspirants. Now, when I say that, I really mean that. Why? What is the reason? Have a look at the benefits that you are getting. Number one, we provide you live paid courses with test series. We provide you over here free subject-wise and topic-wise quizzes with report card. We provide you free job alert, admit card and exam date. We provide you all exam previous year PDFs with solution. We provide you free All India scholarship test with report card. We provide you topic-wise free live classes. We provide you free full-length and sectional test with report card. We provide you free exam-wise PDF and practice set PDFs. We provide you daily, weekly, and monthly current affairs. And then towards the end, we also provide you unlimited subject-wise practice questions. Sanjana, we are yet to solve more questions. Now, see, my dear students, before I move ahead, I will particularly like to highlight this feature. All exam previous year PDF with solution. This is very important for any student who is willing to prepare for any exam. And now, unlimited subject wise practice questions, again very important for any student preparing for any exam. And on top of that, the uniqueness of our paid batches is not hidden now. Everyone knows the quality and the level of that. So these things make this app a wonderful, amazing, marvelous app. Please utilize it, guys. And now moving ahead, coming to the 11th question. Okay, so the 11th one, hurry up. Now see what is happening over here. See what is happening over here. Nasiba runs for 10 km in the eastern direction. So suppose this is the starting point. Nasiba runs for 10 km in the eastern direction. She then turns left and starts walking 6. She then turns left and starts walking 6 km. Again she turns left and starts running for 6 km. Okay, then she turns left and walks 6. Then she turns left and walks 6. Now see, if this is 6, this is 6. If this is 6, even this is 6. And if this is 6, even this distance is 6, and now this is 4. Alright, now why, if this is 6, even this is 6 and the remaining will be 4, because total is intact, 10 only. So how far is she from the starting point? From the starting point she is 4. From the starting point she is 4, and that is the correct answer, 4 km. Okay, fine everybody. Next, the 12th question. Hurry up. Smriti Thakur, Sanjana Singh. Quickly hurry up everybody. Now see what is happening. Rachel starts walking towards north. Okay. Now see, solve this question. Now suppose this is the starting point. Okay, suppose this is the starting point. Rachel starts walking towards north. After walking 15 meters, Rachel starts walking towards north, and after walking 15 meters, she turns towards south and walks 20. Now from here she turns towards south and walks 20. So walks 20 means what? 15 plus 5. Alright. So Rachel starts walking towards north, and after walking 50 meters she turns towards south and walks 20. She then turns towards east and walks 10. She then turns towards east and walks 10. Then again she walks 5 meter north. Again she walks 5 meter north. How far is she from the starting point and in which direction? So if this distance is 10, even this distance will become 10. So from the starting point she is 10 meter towards the east, and that's the correct answer, the fourth one. Alright, Smriti Thakur. Okay, Sanjana Singh. Okay, I hope all of you are getting this. The 13th question, guys. Another very important question asked in the year 2013. Quickly. Now see what is happening. A boy starts from home in early morning and walks straight for 8 kilometers facing the sun. Facing the sun. Now see, early morning and facing the sun. What does this mean? In early morning, sun is at the east. So suppose all of you are aware. Now suppose if this is north, okay, this is south, this is west, and this is east. So north, south, west, east, and now this is the sun. This is the sun. So what is the question basically trying to tell over here? What is the question trying to tell over here? A boy starts from his home in the early morning and walks straight for 8 kilometers facing the sun. So walk straight for 8 kilometers facing the sun. Okay. Then he takes a right turn and walks for 3. Then he takes a right turn and walks for 3. Then he turns right again and walks for 2. Then he turns right again and walks for 2. Now that means if this is 2, this is 2, and now this is 6. Okay, everybody? Next. Next, my dear students. And then turns left and walks for 1. Then turns left and walks for 1. Okay, fine. Then he turns right and travels 1. Then he turns right and travels 1. Okay, fine. And then turns right and travels for 4 kilometers straight. Then turns right and travels for 4 kilometers straight. Now see, my dear students, 4 kilometers straight will be over here. Why? Because very simple, if this is 3, even this is 3. And if this is 1, even this is 1. Okay, and now, my dear students, see, this total distance was 8. Out of which, if this is 2, even this is 2. And if this is 1, even this is 1. So the remaining distance which is left out will be 5. The remaining distance which is left out will be 5. So that 5 plus 1, 6 plus 2 is 8. So it's 5. And 5 is the correct answer, guys. Answer is the second one. Alright. Fine, Smriti Thakur. Sanjana, everybody, please tell me yes or no. So it's a beautiful question. You have to be very much careful about the measurements. The 14th question. Hurry up. Okay, now see, A walks 10 meters in front and then, now see, where is front? A walks 10 meters in front, but where is front? Take it in any way. Do not panic. Take it in any way. At the end, you will get the same answer. See, because questions will not be focused on the direction. The questions will not be focused on the directions, okay? So A walks 10 meters in front. Suppose this is the starting point and A walks 10 meters in front. So this is the way. A walks 10 meters in front. Done. And then 10 meters to right. Then A walks 10 meters to right. Okay. So A walks 10 meters in front and then 10 meters to right. Then every time turning to his left, he walks 5, 15 and 15. Every time turning to left, he walks 5, then 15 and then 15. Okay. And 15. Okay. And now, what is the question telling? How far is he now from the starting point? How far is he now from the starting point? See, if this distance is 5, even this distance is 5, and that's the correct answer. That is what you all are getting. Okay, that is what you all should get. Fine, everybody. Next question. Solve this one. Time starts. Asked in year 2014. Asked in year 2014, guys. So that's again very, very important. So gradually we are covering from 2011 till 2014. We have covered all the important questions, all the good questions. Rahul traveled from a point and straight goes to point Y at a distance of 90 meters. Okay. So here again, Rahul traveled from a point and straight goes. Now straight is in which way? It can be north, south, east, west, anywhere, anything. So do not worry. The questions will not be based on the direction. See the options. Itself is very clear. So now, suppose this is the starting point. Rahul traveled from a point and goes straight to point Y at a distance of 90 meters. Straight to point Y at a distance of 90 meters. Okay. Rahul, okay, traveled from a point Y and goes straight to point Y at a distance of 90 meters. He turned right and walked 40 meters. He turned right and walked 40 meters. And then again turned right and walked 70 meters. Now see, if this is 70, even this is 70, and the remaining part is 20, because the total has to be 90. Okay, next. Finally, he turned right and walked 40. Finally, he turned right and walked 40. How far is she from the starting point? From the starting point, it's 20. It's 20, guys. So that's the correct one. Option number 3, 20. Option number 3, that is 20. All right, everybody. Getting it, yes or no? Getting it, yes or no? Okay. Next, the 16th question. Okay. Solve this one. Very good, Smriti. Very good. So what is the question trying to say? Raju cycles. So now this is the starting point, and Raju cycles 10 kilometers south from his house. So this is the house of Raju, and Raju cycles 10 kilometer. Raju cycles 10 kilometers south from his house. Okay. Turned right and went 5. Turned right and went 5. And again turned right and cycled 10. Again turned right and cycled 10. And then turned left and cycled 10. Turned left and cycled 10. Okay, everybody. So how many kilometers will he have to cycle back to reach the house? Now, as per the options available, one thing that he can cycle back in this manner, that 10 plus 10 plus 5 plus 10, but there is no such option which is 10, 20, 25 and 10, 35. There is no such option. But if he wants to cycle back in this way, he can come. So 10, and if this is 5, so 5. So 15, and that's very much a part of the options available, and that's the right answer then. That's the right answer. Okay. Next, solve the 17th question. Hurry up. Simple question, guys. Verbally you can solve. No need to even touch pen or paper for this particular question at least. Now see what is happening. Dinesh and Ramesh start together from a certain point in opposite direction. Okay. Now again, when it says opposite directions, the opposite directions can be north, south, or east, west. It will not be focused. The questions of such kind will not be focused on direction. See, the option itself speaks that we have to only focus on the distance. So suppose this is the starting point. Dinesh and Ramesh start together from a certain point in the opposite direction on motorcycles. Okay. The speed of, so suppose Dinesh is going in this way, and suppose this person Ramesh is going in this way. The speed of Dinesh is 60 km per hour and that of Ramesh is 44 km per hour. So then the question is, what will be the distance between them after 15 minutes? 15 minutes is 1 by 4th of the hour, because hour is 60 minutes. Now if hour is 60 minutes, 15 minutes is 1 by 4. So in 15 minutes, it will go 1 by 4 of this, that is 15 km. And in 15 minutes, it will go 1 by 4th of this, which is 11. So the sum is total 26 km. 26 km. Okay, so the correct answer, the valid answer is 26 km. Fine, everybody. Next, the 18th question. Hurry up, the 18th one. Please try this. Sohan drives. So suppose this is the starting point and this is the house, obviously of Sohan. Sohan drives 15 kilometers to the west. Sohan drives 15 kilometers to the west from his house. Then turned left and walked 20. Then turned left and walked 20. He then turned east and walks 25. So 15 plus 10, 25. And finally turning to left covered 20. Finally turning to left covered 20. How far is he from the house? Now see, my dear students, if this distance is 10, even this distance will be 10, and that's the correct answer. Option number 3, that is 10. All right. Next, solve this one. The 19th one. Quickly, everyone. We have done one such kind of question, I think, yesterday. See, suppose you all are well aware. North, south, west, east. And now, sub-directions are also there. Now, a man is facing south. So, a man is facing south. A man is facing south. Now, write all the clockwise turns at one place and write all the anti-clockwise turns at one place. He then turns 135 degree in anti-clockwise direction and then 180 degree in clockwise direction. Okay, now take the resultant. If you take the resultant, my dear students, it will be 45 degree clockwise. And now 45 degree clockwise means this person will move over here, and then 45 degree clockwise means it is somewhere towards southwest. It is somewhere towards southwest, and that's the correct answer, southwest. Okay, fine, everybody. So please keep on liking the session. Please keep on sharing the session. It's southwest, as you can see, second one is the right answer. Next, the 20th question. Hurry up. Ravi is walking in the east direction. Suppose this is the starting point. Ravi is walking in the east direction. After covering a certain distance of, after covering a distance of 1 kilometer, he turns 45-degree left and then 90-degree right. See, 45-degree left and then 90-degree right. Effectively is 45-degree right. 45-degree left and then 90-degree right. So the person will now be pointing in the southeast. Okay. Okay. Fine. So now let me again cross check this. So Ravi is walking in the east direction. Okay. So the question is telling you that Ravi is walking in the east direction. After covering a distance of 1 kilometer, he turns 45-degree left. Now 45-degree left means somewhere over here. Okay. And then 90-degree right. And then 90-degree right. Okay. Now 90-degree right, my dear students, will be 45 and 45. So it will be, in which direction is he now? It's which direction? Come on guys, tell me, it's which direction? It's southeast. It's southeast. So that's a issue. Okay, that's not northeast, it's southeast. Okay, it's southeast. Okay, getting it? So Ravi is walking in the east. After covering a certain distance of 1 kilometer, he turns 45-degree left and then 90-degree right. In which direction is he now? It's southeast. Okay. Next, moving ahead. See, before I wind up the session, my dear students, please keep this in mind. I've already discussed the benefits of my app with all of you, but obviously you will be able to utilize the app once you're able to download the app. Now, to download the app, we are not available at iOS. So from your Google Play Store, okay, go to the, from your Android mobile phone. From your Android mobile phone, because we are not available at iOS. So from your Android mobile phone, go to Google Play Store and type over there Exampur app. The moment you type Exampur app over here, my dear students, such a kind of interface will appear, and then you will be asked to click on the install icon. The moment you click on the install icon, my dear students, if your internet connectivity is decent, within couple of minutes it will be installed, and then you will be asked to click on open. Now, since you are a new user, since you are a first time user, you will be asked to register yourself by providing the basic details like your name, date of birth, email, password, phone number, state, city, and the moment you click on the checkbox that I agree with terms and conditions and you submit and register, you have registered yourself. Okay, everybody. Now see, this will be your homework question. This question was asked in the year 2015. Okay, so this is your homework question asked in the year 2015. All right, everybody. Fine. And finally, towards the end, my dear students, have a look at the schedule for today. Have a look at the schedule for today, guys. It's very, very crucial. And the schedule, according to this, now it's Shashank sir's GS session. Thereafter, it would be 5 p.m. Sanjay sir's quant session, and then at 7 to 10, it's again Shashank sir's GS session. So, guys, back-to-back sessions today. Do not forget to miss it, and okay, do not forget to take a part in this session. And then tomorrow on Wednesday, again this is the schedule. So again, guys, have a look at this. So never ever miss these sessions. These are extremely important. Thank you, everybody. Have a great day ahead.